After years of never winning a single game of laser tag, Dr. Evil decided to build a robot equipped with a laser to wreak havoc on the game. It would be his mission to never again lose a game of laser tag. He called it Darth Wally.
Is it clear? It's clear, but there's something. What is that thing? What the heck? Oh, it's so cute. It's a little robot. Yeah. Look at it. It has a. Nice. It's got that's an angry face. That's not good. What is it? It should probably run away. All right. Oh, there it is! Run! Get in. Shut the door. Something will shoot us through the door. Oh. It's safe now. It can't get us here.
It can't get us at all. Huh. That thing doesn't stand a chance.
What a dumb robot.
It can't get us to What? Oh! Hurry! Get out! Go!
I see you've discovered my prototype. I will soon be taking over the world with an army of blue robots.
How will you build those robots?
By hand, individually, one by one.
Wow.
Do they have a fatal weakness?
Currently it is attached to the computer because it doesn't have enough current to supply all of these motors at once. Eventually. No! Looks like the backup power is working. Although the control system's not very good. No! Why do you do this, Darth Wally?
I will end your misery.
No! Don't do it!
By unplugging the robot from the computer, our heroes put an end to the schemes of Dr. Evil. He was arrested shortly after, with only the wimpy battery to power it, and without a controller. Darth Wally was consigned to spin in circles until it died.